How to build a balanced plate for optimal health. Eating a balanced plate is essential for maintaining optimal health. The food we consume impacts everything from energy levels to immune function and long-term well-being. A balanced plate is about combining the right types of food in the right proportions to nourish the body and promote overall health. Here's how you can build a balanced plate to fuel your body and support a healthy lifestyle. 1. Fill half of your plate with vegetables. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a crucial component of a balanced plate. Aim to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, peppers, and broccoli. These vegetables provide antioxidants that protect against disease and help regulate digestion. 2. Include lean proteins. Protein is essential for muscle repair and immune function. A quarter of your plate should consist of lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes. Protein helps maintain energy and supports the body's natural processes. 3. Choose whole grains for complex carbs. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats, provide long-lasting energy by releasing carbohydrates slowly into the bloodstream. Opt for whole grains instead of refined grains to increase fiber intake and stabilize blood sugar. 4. Add healthy fats. Fats are necessary for absorbing essential vitamins and maintaining brain health. Include healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and fatty fish, which provide unsaturated fats. These fats help support heart health and keep you feeling full. 5. Incorporate fruits for nutrients and hydration. Fruits offer essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Include a variety of colorful fruits like berries, oranges, and apples to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. They also add natural sweetness and hydration to your meal. Hydration. Don't forget water. Water is essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and consider hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon to complement your meals. Building a balanced plate for optimal health isn't complicated. By following the simple guidelines of filling half your plate with vegetables, adding protein, whole grains, healthy fats, and fruits, you can ensure that your meals are nutritious and well-rounded. Remember, the goal is to nourish your body with the right food, so you can enjoy a healthy, vibrant life. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.